Hello, my name is Stephanie, and today I will be performing the Ambulating with Belt skills video. I will start off by performing hand hygiene. And I've already closed the door to ensure patient privacy. For supplies today, I have my gait belt. And this is my patient right here, Miss. All right, sounds good. So today what we will be doing is we will be ambulating you. You will be taking a few steps here, and then we'll be taking you back to the chair and having you sit again. To do so, we will be using our gait belt. All right, and we've made sure that we have his non-skid shoes on. So they're fine. You have them on. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that the knees are nice and straight, nice and balanced, because you will be standing up, nice and strong. I'm gonna be placing the gait belt around your waist, specifically the torso area and the front area. If I can please have you lift your arms for me. All right, you can put your arms down. So I've ensured that the belt is not too tight and not too loose by inserting 4 fingers here to give a little wiggle room. How does the belt feel? Too tight, loose, or okay?
Not okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and swing you forward a little bit 3 times. On the 3rd time, we're gonna have you stand up, and that's all you're gonna do. You're just gonna stand up for me nice and tall, but please do so slowly. I will be grabbing you from behind to ensure safety here. I will be holding you, and then I will be holding you with my right hand here in the front. So at the count of 3, if you can please stand up. 1, 2, 3. Nice and tall. All right, sounds good. Do you feel dizzy, lightheaded?
No, it's okay.
All right. So your weaker side is your right hand side. I'm gonna go ahead and hold your hand. Your stronger side is the left. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna move your left foot forward, and that's how you're gonna start to walk here to the right. But make sure to keep your eyes looking forward. Do not look down. We don't want you to get dizzy. We don't want you to get lightheaded. So when you're ready, go ahead and put your left foot forward, and if you can start taking a few steps left and right, and very slow for me. All right, that's excellent. So you can stand right in front of the chair until the back of your knees touch the chair. Can you feel them?
Yes.
Sounds good. All right. So you're going to go ahead and sit down very slow, and we're going to sit you back in the chair. So go ahead and sit down slowly, please. You feel lightheaded, dizzy? Are you okay?
No, I'm okay.
Sounds good. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the belt now. And do you have any questions for me?
No, I'm okay.
All right. And would you like your shoes to remain on or off?
No, I'm leaving it on. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And the call light is right next to you. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything at all, go ahead and buzz us. We'll be here in a bit. And I'm going to go ahead, if you don't have any more questions for me, I'll go ahead and perform hand hygiene. Close the door behind me to ensure patient privacy. And go back to the nurse's station to document my findings. Thank you.